Now, if singing makes you nervous, this is for you. You don't have to be good, you just have to make a sound. We're going to sing together now for a few minutes. There's not a performance and there's no pressure. The first exercise we're going to do is a breathing exercise. We're going to inhale for a count of 4, and we're going to exhale for a count of 6. The inhale is going to be in through the nose, and the exhale is also going to be out through the nose. And we're going to do that for about 6 rounds, and I'm going to count you through and lead you through the whole thing. So here we go. Let's do it together. Round 1. Inhaling. And then exhaling. Round 2. Inhaling. Exhaling. Round 3. Inhaling. Exhaling. Round 4. Inhaling. Exhaling. Round 5. Inhaling. Exhaling. And now the final round. Inhaling. Exhaling. Okay, that's great. Give yourself a moment, and what we're going to do now is one long sustained hum. It doesn't matter what note it is that you hum. It doesn't need to be in pitch with mine. So here we go. So you're going to inhale, and on the exhale, you're going to produce a hum like this. Okay, let's do this together. So inhaling and hum. That's great. Let's do 2 more. Inhaling and hum. That's great. 1 more. Here we go. Inhaling and hum. That's great. Okay. So now we're going to sing a single tone. You don't have to match me. It can be a different note, and if it's really loose and out of pitch, it doesn't matter. So we're going to inhale and then just tone a note. You can use the letter A to tone this note. Make sure it's comfortable for your pitch range. Like I said, don't try and match mine because my pitch range might be different to yours. And we're going to do 5 long sustained notes. Okay, let's begin. Inhaling and tone. Great. Let's tone again. Number 2. Inhaling. And number 3, inhaling. Number 4, inhaling. And the final tone, inhaling. That's great. You're doing excellent. Let's keep going. Okay, so now we're going to do a 2-note call and response. I'm going to sing 2 notes. I'm going to start off with a lower note and then go to a gentle higher note. And I'm going to sing that, and I want you to sing back. I'm going to leave a pause for you to sing after me. Here are the pitches I'm going to use. It will be A, A. Like I said, you don't need to be good at this. This is not a performance. You just need to make a sound. So let's start. We're going to do 3 of these. Okay, here we go. Hey. Now your turn. That's great. Okay. And again. Hey. And now your turn. Great. That's beautiful. Okay, one last round. And respond. Fantastic. Okay, now we're going to sing a phrase together. The sounds I'm going to use are A and O. And it will sound like this. A, O. And we're going to sing this together 8 times. And you'll follow me. So we'll inhale together, inhaling and singing. A, O. Round 2. A, O. Round 3. A, O. Round 4. A, O. Round 5. A, O. Round 6. A, O. Round 7. A, O. Final round, round 8. A, O. That's great. Let's keep moving. Now let's do one final hum together. We're going to repeat it 3 times. And we're going to inhale and hum. And again, inhale. And one last hum. Here we go. Inhaling and hum. That's wonderful. You're doing fantastic. Okay, so now just check in with yourself and see how you feel. See if your throat feels maybe a little bit looser. Maybe you could feel some of the vibrations maybe in your nose or maybe in your chest. And remember, there's no judgment. This is not a performance. This is just you getting to know your voice. If that felt different, stay with this. We're building this slowly. And if you'd like to keep singing with me, subscribe and come back next week. And remember, your voice is allowed to exist.